Let me show you how to customize the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you want to customize your lock screen, simply click and hold on any blank space of your lock screen and it will go like this. Then you see, for example, you can change your clock style here. For example, you can change the color of it, the thickness of the font, for example, or the different fonts. And if you go in the style here, you see you can change how it will appear. Also, you can even make it larger or smaller as well, this clock. So you see, you can make it very small as well. And also you can even drag it somewhere here as well. Okay, so once satisfied with your choice, simply click done. And you see, for example, you have this kind of small lock screen now. Let's go back. Let's set to something decent here. Okay, also you see you can show and hide your weather information here as well on the lock screen if needed. Okay, let's get proper color here and click done. Also you can even add different widgets here as well on between the clock here. So if you click here, you see also you can add, for example, all these things. For example, bunch of weather information. So simply add what you want. And yeah, also as you see, you can customize these quick launch actions here. For example, you can set to click these buttons basically to launch something, for example, and same for the other one as well. And also if we click here, we can change the wallpaper of the lock screen, for example, to something else as well. Okay, so this button here and click done. Okay, also if perhaps you want to remove this no bar thing, what you have to do is you simply have to click and hold on it. Okay, hold and you see you have the no brief settings here. You can also customize basically what it will show here, for example. Okay, good luck.